Hello, myself Ramakrishna. This is Ramesh. So here from present to example, the coconut basically. Coconut production basically happens in the India basically or in the south basically. That is basically digged by in American group basically. An American group basically have the specific location basically where the only coconut raw material basically is dumped. That is basically the seeds creation raw material basically. That is dumped in this particular land basically. So they digs and finds the raw material like this coconut seeds basically are created like this coconut seeds basically are created. Same way basically the all the fruits basically like apple basically is there, then the grapes seeds basically are there, all the vegetables, chili, potato, cauliflower, carrot, whatever vegetables there are more than 1 lakh types of vegetables. So you can't imagine basically America basically is having this much control basically of India basically. They are basically charging also some money basically. They might be charging some money also. How? $1 equal to 95 rupees basically. That is the charge basically. That is containing charges basically. So if any Indian basically is purchasing $1 basically, they have to pay 95 rupees basically. So it's a huge amount basically that American groups basically are getting because they are purchasing dollar basically. Instead of that basically American groups are getting 95 times money basically. That is 95 rupees basically. So next video.